Introducing a well-maintained 3-bed, 1.5-bath townhouse featuring a fenced backyard with shed, new kitchen cabinets, laminate and tile floors, and all bedrooms upstairs. These thoughtfully chosen flooring options not only enhance the visual appeal but also provide a low-maintenance and allergy-friendly environment for you and your loved ones to enjoy. The property is desirably located near shopping, restaurants, and interstate travel. Don't miss this opportunity to embrace modern living in a remarkable townhouse that combines style, functionality, and comfort.